Epale, me llamo Cañón.
Epale, me llamo Cristal.
And welcome to Travel Via Terra. Where are we going?
We're gonna get couscous.
We're gonna go eat some couscous. Going to a nice Mediterranean restaurant. They got really good couscous there, so we'll check it out. It's nothing but farmland. Couscous is somewhere out there. One of you is couscous.
This is Couscous' first time on the road. He's in his kennel for safety purposes. Oh yeah, we got a puppy, but duty still calls. We empty this toilet every 2 weeks at different rest stops around the States. It has been a game changer. But let's talk about the big elephant in the room, Couscous. He's been a great companion that we really needed, and we give him the name of the goat because he climbs everywhere in a small space.
Like father, like son.
This is first time Couscous watch. Couscous! You're wet! We just got our first milk after 9 months. We're at Cracker Barrel in Kansas. 1 a.m. And Ken's sleeping.
Back up north, we went to Badlands National Park in South Dakota. The Dakotas were some of our favorite states because the landscapes were vast and there's nobody around except for animals. Another cool place in South Dakota is Mount Rushmore. This place has deep history and we got to learn all about it.
Impressive. After the longest drive through the flattest, windiest part in the US, we made it to Montana, where we got to visit some friends and experience Missoula and Glacier National Park.
Para los que no han visto hailing, está hailing. Es como nieve y lluvia a la misma vez.
A mountain man appears.
3 days in the woods, first time seeing civilization. I gotta tell you, it's been tough. I barely made it out there. I had to eat whatever wild dogs ran by me.
Oh my God!
I'm really hungry.
For our last stop, we visited our family in Washington one last time and also visited La Push, aka the land of the wolves.
So we made it to Olympia National Park today and check out our camp spot. Can't complain. ¿Dónde está el osito?
Driving to Alaska!
Y estas son algunas de las actividades que nosotros hicimos mientras guiábamos hacia Alaska, que nos tomó 1 semana y 3,000 millas.
Don't do that, Couscous. Shut up. And just like that, we were back in Alaska. It only took one trip out to Hatcher's Pass to see that this is our home. All in all, as you can see through our route, we visited 40 states, 25 national parks, and about 65 family and friends. We appreciate all the love and support along the way, and we're so glad we got to share our adventures with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you down the road.